Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our BMW 520D estate. So as you can see, it's finished in grey. We'll put the actual name of the grey on the advert, but I know it's a special order grey, so you had to pay extra for it. So 2013, it's done 83,000 miles. It's coming from a local owner. They've inherited a car. So this one was up for sale. We normally just deal in VW, AUDI, Skodas and Porsches, but as I say, it was local and it's been a really well cared for vehicle, and I think they're quite practical and everything else. So we purchased it. The wheels are unmarked. As I say, it's got good service history with it. Don't think it's due a service for about another 9,000 miles. It's got MOT until February next year with no advisories. We've got 2 keys with it, all the owner's manuals, handbooks, paperwork, etc. As with all our cars, it's HPI clear with a report. Got a really good spec on it as well, so it's got the electric tailgate. Boot is massive, as you can see. It's got the split tailgate as well, so you can just open the glass part if you just want to reach in and grab your shopping. It's got sat-nav, Bluetooth, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, heated black leather, electric seats. Backs don't look like they've been sat in. It's a rare manual as well. Most of them are automatic. Again, all clean and presentable there. As always with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. If you want to reserve a vehicle, if you can't get to us, we can do that as well. Any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.